Hi guys, this is Venance aka Miss.Cameroon. I am back with a new video. So today I will be showing you guys how I applied this hair. This is ZURY SIS neon pink braids in 46 inches. I repeat, 46 inches. I still can't believe I wore this hair, like literally, but I'm just gonna show you guys how I apply it on my head. So definitely keep on watching. Okay, so they sent me 7 packs and I basically applied every single pack on my head. Like, I wanted this hair to be super full. So the hair came in, like, you know, little packages like that. I wore the hair for New York Fashion Week. Like, the amount of people and compliments I was getting that night was just crazy. Like, I had the best night and everybody was like talking about my pink hair. Okay, I already have like a lot of videos how I do my crochet braids and like tutorials, like way more detailed tutorials. So just keep on watching, then I'm gonna go ahead and explain you how I do it in slow motion. Okay, so I'm about to do the tutorial on how I do this. So the first thing you do is you're going to push in the crochet needle in your hair. Then you're going to open up the loop of the braid and put it in the hook. Close the latch. Once you close the latch, pull in the braid in with the latch. Pull in the braid with the latch. Then I'm going to take the hook and hook it with the braid. Then close the latch and pass it into the loop, if that makes sense, guys. But you guys are watching, so yeah, that's all. Then I'm just gonna close it and make a knot. That's all. And so if you have any more questions or if you want to see more details, I'm going to post all my videos of my crochet braids down below so you guys can see exactly how I do it. So we don't get no fucks, yeah. Get no fucks, yeah. We don't get no fucks, yeah. Get no fucks, yeah. We don't get no fucks, yeah. Get no fucks, yeah. We don't get no fucks, yeah. Get no fucks, yeah. We don't get no fucks, yeah. Get no fucks, yeah. We don't get no fucks. But yeah, this is basically all I did. I just went ahead and I did the same thing over and over, and then I was basically done. So this was just a little demonstration video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe for more videos. I have a lot more videos coming up, and I hope you enjoyed this. I thought it was, you know, helpful. So go ahead and check out I Am ZURY Pink Braids if you are a bold person like me. And if you like to have fun with your hair, so go ahead and check this out. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.